Three wheels on my wagon, and I'm not rolling along.
Welcome to our attempt at seasonal humour, the A720 Pantomime. We're looking at an old transit minibus sporting a school bus sign. The Highway Code Rule 209 tells us, drive carefully and slowly when passing a stationary bus showing a school bus sign, as children may be getting on or off. This long wheelbase, medium roof transit driver's door looks pre-2006 facelift, and I can't see a plastic wheel arch extender suggesting it had double wheels.
Wife, I need your help.
Husband, I'm on my way. It's behind you.
Oh, no it isn't.
Oh, yes it is.
Oh, no it isn't.
Then we'll take a look.
We'll never know whether this shunt was caused by this wheel bouncing down the road, or whether there was a second one that jumped the concrete barrier. We do know everybody's insurance policies will have to go up to pay for repairing all three vehicles, courtesy cars, whiplash,
etc., etc., etc.
I hope you enjoyed our attempt at humour. If you like this video and the other videos that we do, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.
and we leave you at the M80 Junction 5, Ocken Kilns. Thank you for watching.